welcome back to my channel. So y'all, in today's video we'll be looking at 5 different universities here in the United States of America that fully fund a master's degree in economics. So we'll just go straight to our first university. The first university is University of Maine, and like you can see on their website, so they have graduate funding opportunities, and they talk that it comes in the form of limited graduate assistantships for exceptional applicants. So it says that these GA ships basically provide funding support to cover a stipend, and it says the stipend is at least 1,748 per month, and it's typical for 9 months of a teaching assistantship and 12 months for research assistantships. And it also covers full tuition waiver for up to 9 graduate credit per semester and a credit of 50% of the cost of their health insurance as well. So, which is awesome. And it tells you a little bit more information about how to go about applying. So it says that, the deadline to apply, and then if you scroll more, it gives you a little bit more information about just the process of submitting an application. So if you're interested in this university, definitely come take a look at their program and decide if it has what you're looking for in a program, and then apply, especially because of the fact that they also have funding opportunities available for those who have good grades as well. So our second university is Bowling Green State University, which is actually in Ohio, which is where I live. I love Ohio. Um, so Bowling Green State University have a Master's of Art in Financial Economics, and it says that their program is designed to prepare their students for a career in the financial industry or for further graduate study in economics or finance. And for them it's a 30 hours of coursework basically. And then it gives you a little bit more information about the admission criteria. So it says that the admission is determined on the basis of your GPA, your GRE/GMAT scores, a statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, and it says at least two of the letters need to come from an academic supervisor, professor, or a mentor. And it says that the application deadline for fall is July 1. So for those who are interested like this, you still have a lot of time to kind of submit your materials. And for their financial aid, it says that graduate assistantships are available on a competitive basis, and it basically covers a ton, and also provides you with a stipend as well. And for that, they basically use your undergrad GPA, your GRE/GMAT scores, your letters of recommendation, and all of that kind of well, this is cool. It says that they're currently waiving GRE/GMAT requirement for master's program through spring 2024. So, like, this is definitely the right time to kind of get your applications in as well. Because I know for a lot of people, especially international students, taking the GRE or GMAT definitely makes things a little bit harder. So, if you're interested, go ahead and get your applications in for this university. All right, our next university, our third university is Illinois State University. So Illinois State University have a master's in economics, or in applied economics rather. So they give you a little bit more information about their program and what it covers. But I like money, so I'm trying to scroll down to the bottom so we can see that information. But it gives you a little bit more information about how to apply. So you must have earned a 4-year bachelor's degree already. You can present an unofficial transcript from a school that you've earned it from. GRE, you need letters of recommendation. You also need your resume. You need a 2-page statement of purpose as well. For international students, you might need to submit a TOEFL. And then for fall term, if you want to start in the fall, which is August of 2023, you need to submit your application by March 1, so you still have some time. And then the funding part, this is the winning part, the part that I'm always super excited about. So for the funding, again, it comes in the form of graduate assistantships, and it says that here, so this is where it covers the benefit portion. It says they provide you a monthly wage paid in the form of either a stipend or an hourly wage, a waiver for 100% of tuition during the semester of appointment, and you also get a waiver for 12 credit hours of tuition for the summer term. That's awesome because a lot of schools don't cover summer. So the fact that they cover summer is just wonderful. So Illinois State University is another really good program to look into, another good school too. All right. Our next university is, I feel like I'm also going to pronounce it wrong, but it's Boise State University. So they say for them, they typically award five graduate assistantships or fellowships to economics master's students. Um, so I'll scroll a little bit. So it says that each GA will receive a tuition fee and fee waiver in the fall and spring, and they also receive a stipend of 9,500 for work in the fall and spring semester, as well as you get your health insurance covered as well. So another great school, and they also it seems like they also have a graduate fellowship. So it says it's two available that's awarded at $10,000. So you need to have a GPA of 3.5 and be a full-time student. All right, our last school is South Dakota State University. So similarly, they have a master's, MS, in economics, and it's cool because they have. It looks like they have different like concentrations or different areas of focus. So they have agricultural business, agricultural and resource economics, business economics, and then general economics as well. They talk about the course delivery, the available options. Okay, now I'm tripping. Where is my funding piece? Oh, right here, I think. So, student support. Okay, so it says a limited number. Let's highlight. Okay, so it says a limited number of research and teaching assistantships and scholarships may be available to qualified students enrolled in the economic theory curriculum option. So, just know there is funding available. So, I hope that these five schools definitely go through them, take a look at them. If you're interested in any of them, get your applications in because for a lot of these schools, you still have time. Thanks, y'all, for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment box below. Until next time, my name is Winnie Bush. Bye, y'all.